Hello viewers, welcome to VrushuRaj classes YouTube channel. We have started solving the sums of first chapter of mathematics of class 10, that is real numbers. First question of first exercise is already done. Now in this video we are going to start the second question. Now this second question is based on the numbers, their HCF and LCM. The rule, what the numbers and their HCF and LCM follows is properly explained with one example in one of the video. Please do watch that video, link is shared in the description box. It will help you to understand what exactly is the relation between the numbers, their HCF and their LCM. So here we will start with the first sum of question 2. Now here the question is, find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into HCF is product of the two numbers. Now here the first pair of number is 26 and 91. Let's find their HCF and LCM. Let's factorize this 26. 2, 1, 3, 13, 1. Okay. So this 26 is 2 into 13. Let's factorize this 91. Divide by 7. 7 ones are 7 threes are 13, 1. So 91 is 7 into 13. So in this case the common factor is 13. Only one factor we have. So in this case our HCF is 13. Okay. HCF is done. Now let's find what is LCM of these numbers. For LCM we have to take these numbers together, 26 and 91. Now once you get the HCF, I suggest students directly you can start with the HCF here, or whatever are the common factors you can start with those factors. So here as we know HCF is 13, let's start with 13 itself. 13 2s are 13 7s are 2 1 7 7 1 1. Okay. Now LCM is 13 into 2 into 7. Fine. Now here 13 2s are 26. We have to multiply 26 by 7. 7 6s are 42. 7 2s are 14 plus 4 8. 182. So HCF is 13 and LCM is 182. Now here the next question is, verify their relation between HCF and LCM and the numbers. So here numbers are 26 and 91. So let's multiply those numbers. Okay, we will multiply this 91 into 26. 6 ones are 6, 6 nines are 54. Let's add this, 2 ones are here 18. 6, 6, 3, 2. So 2366 is the product of the numbers. Now let's multiply LCM and HCF. Okay, now here our LCM is 82 and HCF is 13. Let's multiply this. 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, fine. Okay, plus 1 2s are 2, 1 8s are 8, 1 1s are 1. Let's add this, 6, 6, 3, 2. Product is same. So here what we have is, if our numbers are A and B. Now if we consider this 26 as A and 91 as B and our 13 as HCF means H and 182 as LCM, what relation we get here? A into B is equal to H into L. There are even different types of questions asked based on this principle, this rule. That's why I said in one video I have explained this properly. Please do watch that video. Again I repeat, link is shared in the description box. And like this type of sums are also expected in your board exam. Of course the weightage of marks will be according to the efforts, and of course marks will be allotted accordingly. So this is how we have to solve the three questions here. So the first question is over. Let's move to the second question. Now in the second question the pair of numbers is 510 and 92. So we have to first find HCF and LCM of 510 and 92. Let's find 510. Let's start the division. 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are. Okay, 2 5 5. Let's take 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 5s are 15. Let's take 5. 5 1s are 5 7s are 17 1. So here this 510 is 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. Let's factorize this 92. 92 divided by 2. 2 4s are 6 are. Okay, again 2. 2 2s are 3s are. Oh, 23 is prime number. So straight away we have to take 23. So this 92 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 23. Now let's find the common factor. We have only 2. Only 2 is the common factor here. Okay. So our HCF in this case is 2. Now we have to find LCM. Let's take this 510 and 92 together. Let's divide this by 2. 2 2s are 5s are 5s are 2 4s are 6s are. Again we will take 2. 255 is not divisible by 2, so write as it is. 2 2s are 3s are. Okay. We will complete this one division. Let's complete this. 23. 2 5 5 1. Okay. Now here let's take 5. 5 5s are 1s are. 3 1s are 7s are. 17 1s are. Okay. Now this is factorized. We have to find LCM. LCM is 2 into 2 into 23 into 5 into 3 into 17. Okay, we have to multiply all these terms. Here I'll tell you also one trick. Here 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Okay, 20 into 3, 60. We have this product 60. Let's multiply 23 and 17 first. Okay, we'll multiply 17 into 23. 3 7s are 21. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5. Add this 2 7s are 14. 2 1s are 2 3. Okay. Now we have here answer 391. And what was our product? 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. 20 into 3 60. Let's multiply this by 60. Put 1 0. 6 1s are 6. 6 9s are 54. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. So here 23,460 is our LCM. Now what we have to do? We have to verify the relation between the numbers and HCF LCM. Okay. Now here our numbers are 510. Let's multiply these numbers into 92. 2 zeros are 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. 9 zeros are 0, 9 1s are 9, 9 5s are 45. Let's add this 0, 2, 9, 6, 4. 4, 6, 9, 2, 0. So this is the product of our numbers. Let's multiply HCF and LCM. Our LCM is 2, 3, 4, 6, 0 and HCF is 2. Let's multiply this. 2 zeros are 0, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 46,920. So if our number, if 510 is our A, 92 is our B, 2 is our HCF and 23,460 is our LCM. So we have A into B is equal to H into L. So the relation between the product of the numbers and product of their HCF and LCM is verified. So here we have completed second sum. Let's move to the third sum of this second main question. Now the third question here is, means the numbers here are 336 and 54. Okay, let's factorize this 336 and 54. 336. Let's start with 3. 3 ones are 2s are. Okay, now let's start with 2. As it's even number, we can take easily 2. 2 5s are 2 6 are. Okay, again 2. 2 2s are 2 8s are. Okay, again 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are. Again 2. 2 7s are 7 1s are. Okay, fine. So now here the factorization of 3 3 6 is 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Okay. Next number is 54. 54. 2 2 2s are 7s are 3. 3 9s are 3. 3 3s are 3 1s are. Okay, so the factorization of 54 is 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now let's check for the common factors. We have 3 and 2. These are the common factors. So in this case, our HCF is 3 into 2, that is 6. 6 is our HCF. Now what we have to do? We have to find LCM. Let's take this 3, 3, 6 and 54 together. As I said, you can straight away start with your HCF. Take 6. 6 5s are 30. 6 6s are 36. 6 9s are. Okay, let's take 2 here. 2 2s are 2 8s are 9 as it is. 2 1s are 4s are again 9 as it is. 2 7s are 9s are. Let's take 7, 1, 9. Actually, when we get 1 at one place and only if one number is remaining, we can straight away take that number. Actually, we can straight away take even 9 here. But we will split. 1, 3, 3s are 3, 1, 1. Okay. Now for LCM. For LCM, what we have to do? 6 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 3 into 3. So many numbers we have to multiply. Okay. Now here we will try our best to multiply maximum numbers at a time. Here 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48. Okay. We'll take this 48. 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63. We'll multiply like this. 3 8s are 24, 3 4s are 12 plus 2 14. Add this 6 8s are 48, 6 4s are 24 plus 4 28. 4 2 0 3. So in this case LCM is 3024. Now next what we have to do? We have to verify the relation between the product of the numbers and product of HCF and LCM. Let's multiply these numbers. 3 3 6 into 54. 4 6s are 24, 4 3s are 12, 14, 4 3s are 12, 13 plus 5 6s are 30, 5 3s are 15 plus 3 18, 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16. Let's add this 4 4 1 8 1. 18,144 is the product of the numbers. Now let's check what is the product of HCF and LCM. Our LCM is 3024. Let's multiply by HCF. 6. 6 4s are 24, 6 2s are 12, 14, 1, 6 zeros are 0 plus 1, 6 3s are 18. 18,144. Now our number 336 is A, 54 is B, our 6 is HCF and 3024 is our LCM. So we verified that A into B is H into L. Actually the sums are simple. The only thing what you have to do here is solve carefully, properly and multiply. It's simple sum, but the only thing is it's a little bit time consuming, but it's going to give you 3 marks if you solve such sums properly, correctly in your board exam. So this was about the second question of first exercise of real numbers. Now the third question we will continue in our next video. And of course, to get the update, you have to subscribe our channel and don't forget to share our videos among your friends. So my dear students, viewers, thank you so much for watching this video.